Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So this is our third class, and in last two classes we discussed about determiners. Determiners is a word used before a noun to indicate which things or people we are talking about, like the, my, and many more. And we discussed in second class kinds of determiners, and in kinds we discussed predeterminers, like all, both, like all, people. So all the people. So predeterminers which use before determiners, which you can go through the literal meaning also. It's a pre means determiners से पहले, we are using पहले before the determiners. So we discussed in last video, you can go through that video also. And today we will discuss article. Okay, articles a and the. We will discuss this in detail in today's video, and if it's required we will discuss article in 2-3 videos, because it's a very lengthy topic and it's very important also. Generally we use a and for singular countable noun and the for. Can you tell me in comment section if you know where we can use the? Okay, I'll tell you. To refer to specific person or thing, and many rules before we can use the. So I will discuss in this video about articles. So first, article, two types of article: definite article and indefinite article. Okay, so indefinite article the, and indefinite article a and an. Okay, so first हम definite article की बात करेंगे आज इस वीडियो में. Okay, so for definite articles many rules are there, so we will discuss as many as we can. So, and if anything left you can let me know. I will discuss in other video also, and I will make 2-3 video for that. So first thing, to refer to specific person. Sorry, you cannot see, so I'll write it up. Okay, to refer for definite article. I'm telling about definite article. To refer to specific, refer to specific. So definite article the. So first thing where we can use definite article, to refer to specific person or things. Example, you can see the principal. It's a specific person. We are talking about a particular principal. I saw the doctor. So I saw meaning, what you understand? I saw means meaning some particular doctor. I saw a particular doctor means I am talking about a particular doctor, not means that doctor has a specific quality, or we know that doctor, so that is specific doctor, not in general. In specifically, we're talking about that doctor. Okay. And other in things, the book you want is out of the book you want is out of the book you want is out of print. So that specific book you want, maybe you want Renan Martin. Okay, Renan Martin you want, so that Renan Martin is out of stock. Maybe I will write here so you can see. The book you want is Renan Martin, so that book is out of print. So which book? That particular book. We are talking about the particular book. So that one you want. So this is a specific one because you want that book only. So you are talking about the specific thing, about the book. And the person, you are talking about that school principal. Maybe the KV school, maybe the NCS, maybe the DPS school principal. So maybe you know that principal, you are from that school. So you are talking about the particular or specific person, and here you are talking about the particular specific, refer to a specific thing, that book. Okay, so I hope you clear about this. And some more rules. So first thing we will discuss to refer to specific person or thing. So I hope you clear about that. And the second one is before some proper names, proper names. Kinds of place also, place names also. And okay, so first one is ocean name and sea name, like the Pacific, it's sea, Pacific Ocean. The Black Sea. So before the name of the sea also we will use the, and before the name of ocean, the, and rivers, before the name of the rivers, like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Tapti, the Congo. Okay, many more. And before the name of the canals. Okay, before the name of the canals, and before the name of the groups of island, like the Andaman, the Nicobar, the West Indies. Okay, and the canals made the Suez Canal. Okay, the Suez Canal. And desert names also, deserts name also, like the Sahara, the Kalahari Desert, Gobi Desert, the Gobi Desert. So before the name of the desert. And mountain ranges also, before the name of the mountain ranges, like the, I will write up so you can see, mountain ranges. So the Himalaya, very famous. Okay, the Alps. Okay, and but we will use before the name of the mountain ranges, but before the name of the mountain peaks, like very famous Mount Everest. Okay, Mount Everest. So if you use the before Mount Everest, it's wrong. Before the name of mountain peaks, we will not use the. Only we will use Mount Everest. Okay? And very few names of countries also. Very few names of countries, like the United Kingdom. ठीक है? And if we talk about certain books, the Ramayana, the Ramayana. Okay, those certain books like the Ramayana, the Ramayana. Okay, we use the name of the certain books, the Ramayana, the Vedas. Okay, but if before the name of the books author's name is there, author's names अगर होंगे उनके पहले, like if अगर हम बोल रहे हैं Valmiki's Ramayana, so we will not use the before Ramayana. We will simply write Valmiki's Ramayana. This is correct one. If we use Valmiki's the Ramayana, वो गलत हो जाएगा. So if author name comes before the book name, so we will simply use Valmiki's Ramayana, or any like Mahabharata also. So Mahabharata also a book name. So if author name is Vedvyas, so Vedvyas Mahabharata only. The Mahabharata. If we talk about simply the book name, so the Mahabharata. But author name अगर आ जाता है, so we will write Valmiki's Ramayana. So and last one is, in today's video we will discuss last rule. Before the names of unique things unique of this kind, unique things like the sun, the moon, unique. ठीक है, unique things. So the sun, the moon, the sky. Okay. Now I wind up this session. In next class we will discuss more rules for definite article the. We will discuss in next video, and your homework, I will give you homework also. So your homework is you have to revise this video again and write 2 sentences based on before mountain, based on, sorry, I will write here. I told you na rule कि before mountain names. We will use the. So the Himalaya मैंने बताया, and 2 more you have to comment. Okay, this is your homework.